Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to verify install apps against shared signature hashes and databases in Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. You'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now click on this assets. Now you'll see here app verifier.apk. So you need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, you can see the various options here. So you can import the respective APK file also by clicking on this option, and you can select the respective APK file. So you can see database status has not found, users not found. And you can check the entered install apps also by clicking on this app list. So now you can see here all the install apps. So you can see here the green tick mark. So if I click on it, you can see here hash is being matched. So you can see, and similarly if I click on this, so you can see here hash is matched. So let us check more applications here. So let me click on this application. So you can see here hash is matched, domain is matched. So the database status, as you can see here, and below you can see here, you can share the verification information. You can copy verification information, or you can verify from the clipboard, and you can add to user database also. So by using this cool application named as App Verifier BZ, you can easily verify install apps against shared signature hashes and databases in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.